Panacea Products proudly introduces new bird and nature products for 2021, featuring eco-friendly bird products with our new Ultimate Renewable Bamboo Collection. Bamboo grows quickly and therefore sustainable. Bamboo is also a super hardwood, making it an insect-resistant and hard for squirrels to chew. It also weathers well in wet conditions. The collection's contemporary styling with chocolate brown trim and horizontal grooves makes a nice design statement that is both functional and attractive. A bamboo display is also available and merchandises nicely alongside our matching Going Green recycled plastic eco-friendly feeders. Continuing with sustainability is our line of plant-based feeders that are biodegradable and non-toxic, which is great for the environment. Our new modern farmhouse-style solar barn light is a bird feeder by day and solar light by night. With quality components in metal, glass, and dependable solar light, this one's going to be a winner. And to add to our popular milk house collection, a vintage glass milk bottle hummingbird feeder. We've added more pieces to our patriotic collection for a colorful merchandising assortment. Our Combo Scoop Plus feeder has been a huge success. Now it's available in a beautiful copper top metal finish and in a new 2-tier dual mesh feeder format for mixed and thistle seed. Whitewashed wood and a copper top lend a timeless look in our new Nantucket collection. Adding to our Absolute line is a striking 2-toned copper top and gunmetal chateau feeder. All of the new and previous copper top items are available as a complete display. Our top-selling Save the Bees Please Mason bee shelters now include a 3-tiered yard stake. Watch birds up close with our Sneak-a-Peek clear window feeders with built-in seed storage and double perches. With the growing demand of Oriole feeders, we've added 2 new whimsical Oriole feeders. In collaboration with Audubon, we're now offering garden planters with educational hang tags promoting plants that attract specific bird species. Don't miss these new powerful displays for 2021, including our new bamboo collection. Also available mixed with other eco-friendly products, as well as new copper top displays. And a powerful assortment of squirrel-resistant feeders, including our popular Absolute Ed Magnet models. And for a seasonal promotion, the patriotic items make an attractive, eye-catching display. For more information about our new bird and nature products, including new patio and garden products, see your Panacea Products representative.